Hello.
Okay lang? Dito?
Ingat muna. Ready? Ready?
Magandang umaga and welcome back to the Philippine Sports Riders Association Sports Forum. We are live again right here at the conference hall of the PSC building inside the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. And for our second session, we will be discussing world-class futsal event for women. Darating na po yan. This will be an exciting event. Aabangan po natin yan. No, I'm Randy Calog, Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Good morning, partner Randy, Judy Kiringal, Radyo Pilipinas 2 ang ating paling sports radio. Hope that you are with us through our live streaming PSA page po. Likewise on a delayed basis over Radyo Pilipinas 2 ang ating paling sports radio.
Yes, again, salamat po sa aming sponsors on behalf of Francis Ochoa ng Philippine Daily Corps, our President. Salamat Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Arena Plus, and Milo Philippines.
And yes, for the historic hosting of the Philippines of the first FIFA Futsal Women's World Cup, we are having the Philippine Football Federation President, no other than John Gutierrez.
Yes, sir.
And likewise, si Ma'am Belay Fernando, siya naman po yung Local Organizing Committee Government Relations Head. Welcome po sa PSA Forum. Yes, opening remarks please, Sir John.
Well, thank you for having us, ma'am, sir. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Thank you for being here and helping us promote the first ever FIFA Futsal Women's World Cup. You know? Again, we're very privileged to have the opportunity to host a quadrennial FIFA event. And we're hoping to get everybody's support and for everyone to enjoy the game starting this Friday, November 21st. So, abangan po natin at supportahan natin ang ating national team. Salamat.
Yun lang po, same sentiments po. Of course, very excited kami. And we're really hoping to get the support of everyone because this is more than just the teams and players. This is the effort of our fellow Filipinos working together to put up world-class events. So please join us on November 21st at Phil Sports Arena.
Miss Bel, since hawak mo na yung mic, this is a multi-agency effort. How ready are we for this Friday? Anong inihanda natin para sa ating mga bisita and at the same time para sa mga Pilipino manonood?
Yeah, okay. Very good question. Very timely kasi actually most if not all of the teams are here already and tonight also to celebrate and kick off the events leading up to our opening. The Department of Tourism is hosting a welcome dinner where we also invited yung mga embassies of the teams participating and also of course the government agencies that supported us through this. First, of course, unang-una na dyan yung Philippine Sports Commission and and all those agencies, DOT, DOTR, all of them are all-out support talaga for this event. So maraming salamat po sa Philippine National Government for this support.
So yan po, nakalatag na yung mga programa, yung venues, no? Mga accommodations nila, kumusta po? Ano po ang... yes, kung sino po pwede sumagot.
Well, venues, training halls and match halls are right on schedule. We're using the training halls. Now we have 5 training halls as a matter of fact. And for the match hall, we're right on schedule. I believe that Phil Sports, formerly known as Ultra, is about 95% ready. So in the next few days, we're going to 100%, and it's looking very good. Accommodations, well, of course, our country, especially the metro, is wala tayong kakulangan sa hotels, sa 5-star hotels. So really world-class ang pinapakita natin sa mga bisita natin, no? So again, everything is in order, everything is on schedule, and we're really excited to show the world what the Philippines can do in terms of hosting and in terms of competing against the world's best.
For everyone's knowledge naman po, ano na po yung mga country